Today we're going to learn a little bit about our American Rhythm Samba. So let's get our dance shoes on. Join me on the floor. Let's do some samba. Hi, and welcome to Sunstrike Dancesport. My name is Jim Cole. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to do something we haven't done before, and that's our American Rhythm Samba. Now, samba is a very cool dance. It's got excellent rhythm. And one of the things about the American Samba is it's slightly different than our international brother. But one thing we do keep a lot of is those different rhythms. There are 9 different rhythms in our American Samba, and we're going to talk a little bit about them. But today we're just going to talk about our basic step, and that will get everyone accustomed to what this samba is. Now, the samba is a fun and energetic party, carnival kind of dance. And so we have to have that kind of attitude when we do it. So let's talk a little bit about our basic step. Our basic step, we're going to do the leaders part first, then we'll do the followers part. And I want you to make sure that you follow this video to the end because we do some technique toward the end of the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with all the weight on our right foot, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to take my left foot and I'm going to just step forward. As I do that, I'm going to rise with my right foot. So I do 1, and then I land on that foot, and then I do a 2, 1, up 2. So it's like a over. And a 1, a 2, 1, a 2. All right, we'll take that from the back side, starting with that left foot free. We're going to be stepping over. One of the things I think about is like I'm stepping over a little bit of a bump, and that allows me to rise over and step. So I have 1, up 2, and then I rise back over, 1, up 2. Again, left foot free for the leader. 1, up 2, 1, up 2. So I'm doing it from the side, giving you the example or the idea of coming over. So we have 1, up 2, and then back over, 1, up 2. Again, 1, up 2, 1, up 2. Excellent. So as the leader is stepping forward, the follower is going to be stepping back. So starting with that right foot free for the follower, we basically do the same idea. So we step back, 1, up 2, and then step back over, 1, up 2. Again, 1, up 2, 1, up 2. Good. We'll take that from the back side. Remember, followers, that the right foot is free. So we're stepping back as the leader is stepping forward. 1, up 2, 1, up 2. Again, 1, up 2, 1, up 2. Good. We'll take that from the side. So we have 1, up 2, 1, up 2, 1, up 2, 1, up 2. Good. Now the samba has a rhythm that is consistent through the entire dance. So it's boom, 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 boom. So it's constant throughout the entire dance. So we have that rhythm going on inside of us, and our feet are doing something a little bit different than that bounce. So we always have that constant energy happening. So we have a 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, 1, a 2. And so we always have that action. So one of the things is that when I see people do the samba, they're bouncing up. So what I'm doing is as I step, doing the ladies part on here, starting with that right foot, I'm actually rising with my left foot, see that? And then I'm stepping and absorbing. So I'm actually going down. So I'm up and down, down. So that keeps me connected to the floor without popping up. All right, so we want to think about our samba action, stepping over, back and forth, absorbing, and allowing us to compress as we're stepping back and forth. All right, so that's our American Samba basic step. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the first time that you've been on my channel, please hit the like button, please hit the subscription button, and please hit that little bell for notifications. That way when Sunstrike Dancesport has a new video, you're going to know about it right away. So I want to thank all of you for tuning in. I know there's many choices out there, but thank you for watching and hanging out with me here on Sunstrike Dancesport. Have a great day.